guys, welcome back to the video. I totally forgot to do an intro to the Tester's Pontiac Firebird. It's like I got mixed up in between videos and I didn't do an intro to it, like, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I'm going to go into the video here in just a second, but it's the... I was surprised. I'll go ahead and give you my upfront, honest opinion. When Rick Zink sent me these kits and I looked at them, I was like, dang, that is a cheap looking kit. I mean, it's the first thing that went through my mind. I'm going to be honest with everybody. But built up good. Built up really nice. And you'll see it. Obviously, you've seen it in the thumbnail already, but it's a good looking car. And appreciate Rick Zink again sending me this. And hey, let's get into the video. It's supposed to be right here on this bench. But it's gone now because this is after the fact. But anyway. Actually, the car's right there, but I'm not going to show it to you yet. Right there. Let's go. All right. So, not a whole lot of progress since the last video. I did do the panel line in the doors. Looks killer. This body has excellent seams and all. I got to do the trunk still, but anyway. Going to do a little bit of bare metal foil on the front markers, the rear markers, and then and I think I'm also going to foil the emblem. I'll do black on the window rubbers. Hopefully I won't ruin that like I did on my Porsche, but anyway. And then the tail lights, the whole back is going to be probably going to tape that off and paint it red. But one thing I was noticing is on this, remember it's got the wrong rims. Isn't that crazy? Like, where's the QC? Anyway, but they got the wrong rims on there. They got the Camaro rims on there. But if you look at this one on the instructions, which I haven't even looked at because, like, who needs instructions? This thing is so simple. But they got the right ones on there. But it still looks like a 3-year-old built that thing. I don't know what the deal was. They couldn't get anybody with, you know, I mean, this is box art, right? This is box art. This isn't like... Anyway, I ain't going to keep going on about it. I'm blown away. But anyway, this one's going to look nice. I wish they'd have let me make the box art car for it. That sounds like bragging. That's not bragging. I'm just saying I try to take a little bit more time. Oh, and also, this in here will be black. This car is going to look sweet. Oh, and I did paint the interior. It's going to be touched. It's going to be detailed, but the buckets are in front of or behind me. But anyway, it's going to have a leather interior. I think that's going to look great. Anyway, it won't go right up in there, but I think that's going to be a nice color. I like to do the leathers. I think they're cool. Do a little black washing in there. It really sets them off. But anyway, all right. So, going to get some bare metal foil. And I think I'm going to put bare metal foil where the mirrors go, because the mirrors are just painted. So let's see how this turns out. And maybe I'll bare metal foil the door handles as well. Let's see. I don't know. Maybe not. See ya. Stand by. Alrighty, everybody. So here's an update. So Rick Zink, who sent me these kits, I like Rick a lot. He's a great guy. He mentioned on his shop card that he knew I like this kind of stuff. And he says, on the writing on the back, and I don't think Rick would mind if I mention this, he's like, I know you like this obscure type of model kits. And he even mentioned, he's like, I know these aren't great. He says, they're not good kits. They're not. But he says, I know you like these obscure kits. And for something... I don't know, that you're right, Rick. It draws me. But I feel like the greatest, it's not really a hurdle, but it's a challenge. So the greatest challenge to me is, can I take something like that and can it turn out to be a decent looking kit? And I would say, yeah. I'd say if you put your mind to it, you know, there's going to be some stuff out there that's almost impossible. But all right, so reason I'm saying that is because I'm done with this thing. And I say done with this thing not like in a bad way. I'm like done with this thing, like period. And I think it turned out really, really cool. I really like the color that I chose for it. I just think it turned out to be a darn neat looking model car. The interior is very basic. And when he was, what Rick meant was rudimentary, or not rudimentary, but obscure. You know, like the interior. This basically is like a snap kit. All the parts were pretty much like snapped together. Like the seats snapped in place. The wheels, they didn't snap on, but they, a lot, like chassis snaps into place. The dashboard didn't exactly snap into place, but it required like not very much glue and little to no skill. So, but this thing is done, and I'm like, dang, this looks so nice. I'm thrilled. I think it looks as good as any other kit. You know, you get closer to the interior, you say it's really basic. But that's okay. T-tops. I could have put the T-tops on. It had window glass for the side windows, but I decided not to do that. But anyway, this thing is. I wish I could put it on the cover of this box, on the box art. I think, other than I did glue the hood shut, and they, you know, they had it like a real detailed engine there. That's a huge joke. But I glued the hood shut. There is no engine in this thing. It's a curbside, but man, look at that. And I got the right wheels on it too. One of the wheels was like real crusty. The plastic was, this back wheel here, and I couldn't, not that I couldn't, I didn't clean it up, like try to get in there and sand it. I was just like, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to build this thing, have fun with it. Bare metal foiled the rear marker, front marker, and the emblem. So I bare metal, and then I painted them. I painted the door handles. The window rubbers, which turned out phenomenal, is a black Sharpie. The windows went in like a dream. Yeah, I had to do a little trimming on everything, but the dash is black. I wanted to contrast that with the leather interior. But I think that all in all, for what this is, I think it looks absolutely so cool. The headlights have those little posts in the middle of them, so you get that not real clear headlight. But anyway, they plug in almost like I say. It's almost like a snap tight. The door panel lines are nice and deep where you could accent them. Again, I used the color is light gunmetal, MCW paint number 7159E, light gunmetal metallic. And I used the Mr. Color Leveling Thinner as the thinner, and that turned out great. The primer was the Mr. Color. Dang, I'm dragging everything off. Mr. Color, or Mr. Hobby rather, Surfacer 1000. The wheels don't even have paint on them. Now the bottom of this thing is just black. I didn't do any detailing on it because it's super basic, and something reacted with my paint, my black paint. And it wrinkled. I tried to get it off, but it didn't want to come off, so I said, you know what, it's okay. It's the underside of the car, so the paint did react and has some like wrinkling, so I didn't detail at all the bottom of it, but that's okay, because when they sit on the shelf, this is what you see. You see the top side of them. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. Dang, I keep hitting the camera, I'm sorry. Thanks for watching this video of the 80 Firebird with the proper wheels on it. Not the Camaro wheels like the box has. By testers. Sent to me by Mr. Rick Zink. Papa Z over at Skeletal Remains Scale Auto Restoration. Go check Rick's channel out. It's under Rick Zink. That's his channel name. But thank you, Rick, for sending me this. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I think it looked phenomenal when I'm done with it. So it's going to look good on the shelf. Hey guys, if you hadn't already subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you go down and hit that subscription button. Also, if you hadn't already, like this video. I appreciate that. Check out Mr. Hobby. Check out Hobby Nut Models. It's where I get all my paint supplies from. Go over there and check out Mark's inventory on his MCW paints, his thinners, his Tamiya paints, his model kits, his sanding pads, supplies, anything you need, go check it out. HobbyNutModels.com. It's linked in the description below, as well as my other links, my Facebook group, Model Car Videos Facebook group. I will post this car in there. Go check that out. Become a member if you haven't already. There's a few questions you have to answer to become a member. Go do that and you're in. Teespring store, Patreon members. Hey, Patreon guys, I'm going to reach out to you very soon. This week, I think, and we're going to try to have a live stream very soon. So thanks for all your support there. Am I leaving anything out? I don't think so. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for all your support. I'm over 10,000 subscribers now. I can't believe it. And hey, it's only the sky's the limit's up from here. So thank you for watching this video. And Rick Zink, thanks for sending this kit, as well as the Camaro that was also sent with it. And I think it looks phenomenal. Hope I did it proud, buddy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. And until the next kit, I got to work on that Porsche. Woo, it's behind me. We'll see you later, guys. Take care. Bye.